Mama le 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 na. Push it, papito, baby you, I'm feeling you. See I'm in love with you. I love the style of mood, baby you. Show ya, baby baby go down, show ya. See I love the style go down.
First shoot ever in our new studio, Red Studio. We just got the contract last week, and we had just 1 week to get this place done. So now it's 7 days from the day we got the contract, and we'll try to fix the POP background, the Infinity background setup, the sky rail, LED lighting, the air conditioning, and everything was done within a week. So it still looks kind of like rough and unpolished, but I believe that within the next couple of days we'll be able to complete it. But it's good enough to shoot a video in, and we're shooting the first video ever in this place. And the song starts to Boogie Down by ELIZ, not the Patrick ELIZ you know, another ELIZ what please? Come down. FN the youngest, so there's an older version of you. Anyway, this is the guy, this is the artist.
It's the funky, just finest too.
Yeah, he's the lucky guy we're launching the studio with, so yeah, lucky guy. Yeah. Anyway, that's how it is, and I hope it's gonna come out really good because everybody's stressed now. I'm seriously under tight tension right now, and I'm hoping that I'll be able to shoot this pretty well. But I'm happy that I don't work alone. I got Jigs and Cliffy and and Lily on the background doing our makeup thing, painting people's faces and stuff. Lily, say hi to the camera now. I'll be able to actualize it. So the basic setup for the video is 2 LED HMI lights, 1500 watt daylight panels, and for accent and backlighting we're using pattern lights, 500 watt pattern lights, 2, and mixing with photography lights. That's this here, a 180 watts, 180 watts positive flashlight with softbox on it, just to give the artist some diffused light over his face and stuff. And later on, we're using this black setup here. We're using 4 pattern lights. We'll be yellow, green, and red. Just to put it like that. It's basically a studio setup, just nothing serious. The average studio construction. And for camera, we are using a 5D Mark II with a standard 50mm lens and an aperture monitor. Check out what the viewfinder is saying. This is incredibly awesome. Check it out, check it out. This is incredibly awesome. So that's how the video is going to look. Still going to do some white balancing and color correction in post-production. So this is the 50mm f1.8 lens, and we're mixing it with a couple of other lenses that we have installed. That's it, basically. So that's all for the setup. Stay tuned and don't go nowhere because it's going to be serious fun here right
Sexy mama, boogie down. Say I love the way you whine, boogie down. Sexy girl, sexy mama, boogie down. Boogie down. Baby, why you can't celebrate? I like the way you jubilate. You love me, you can't negotiate. I feel your figure it. Baby, why you can't celebrate? I like the way you jubilate. You love me, you can't negotiate.
Do your freestyle.
I like the way you jubilate. You love me, Jack, I go shit. I feel you, we got it. Le 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 le. Mama le 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 le. I love you, best to me. I love you, baby. I be with you. I wanna be with you. I love the style of move, baby. Oh, yeah, boogie down. Sexy girl, sexy mama, boogie down. Say I love the way you ride, boogie down. Sexy girl, sexy mama, booty down, ha, booty down, huh?
I guess the artist name is ELIZ, and we're here to show you love and to do the video and try to make it well. My name is Susan, and I'm enjoying it.
So what are you going to say today?
We did a choreograph dance, and we're about to showcase it. And because we're freestyling, it's actually a nice set and lovely people around. Nice director too.
Okay. So what do you expect from the final product?
Oh well, I expect the video to go far and the artists to get better and have lots of shows and maybe do other songs that will promote it.
So I guess you've been exercising your muscles.
Yeah.
Dancing a lot.
Wearing heels, dance, and trying to actually not eating to have a flat tummy to shoot.
I see the flat tummy. Yeah, thank you so much.
Yeah. Alright, thank you.
Mama le 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 na. Push it, papito, okay. Baby oh, I'm feeling you. See I'm in love with you. I love the style of move, baby oh. Show ya, baby 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 go down, show ya. See I love the style go down, oh yeah.
Having my phone, I have the first here. Everything is going fine.
So what are you doing on set?
We're just doing the choreography dance, just doing our freestyle, dancing, smiles and all that.
So you're dancing today?
Yeah.
So what's your name?
I'm Betty.
Betty. Yeah, I like you when you smile. Smile for me, baby.
Dancing alone, I won't be dancing. What's up? What's happening? Giving our best to you, and by the grace of God, so far we have I think we will watch out for the video, man. God bless you. And the person behind the camera right now, Jinx. You don't know, ask somebody, eh? Thank God. That's
say I love the way you ride, booty down. Sexy girl, sexy mama, booty down, booty down. Kondosa, upa Gangnam Style, kondosa, upa Gangnam Style. The carry they go, you go follow me go.
White boy, what's up?
I'm cool.
So how's the video going?
Well, the video is going nice, you know, we're just out here chilling. ELIZ has had a good day, and we are also having a good day, so we're just out here to make it a very nice show, you know. we're out here to kill the show. That's basically what we're doing out here, because if we don't get the show done, it's gonna be.
So what are we doing right now?
Right now we're trying to get the girls on stage, trying to get the girls on set, and we're having a close shot, all close and personal shot with the other girl in Cabo. She has a very beautiful smile, and that's what we're doing right now. It's been a very stressful day, so I can't talk much.
Thank everybody, models, guys that came through, my label, my management, my boss. Thank this thing entertainment and this thing production. Thank all the opposite. Also thank every other person and thank every other person. Yeah, just watch out. Your boy.
I wanna be with you, girl. I have a style of move, baby. Oh, yeah, boogie up.